Hello my friends, and welcome to this very short video today. I am kind of losing my voice, so if I sound a little strange, that's why. But the reason this video is very short is because I forgot to hit play on the second part, but I will explain to you what I did. But I'm painting some Echinacea. I'm using my Micron Pan Paints Fluid 100% cotton watercolor paper and my wedge or triangle brush. All the products will be listed in the description box. Just click where it says, click on this link for the products used, and it'll take you to my Amazon store, and there you'll find everything that you need to know about the products that I've used. And as an Amazon associate, I do receive a small commission on any products purchased using my links, but that comes at absolutely no extra charge to you. And thank you to those of you who do use my links. It's a wonderful way to show your support for my channel, and I really do appreciate it. Okay, now back to the painting. So you saw how easily I was able to create these petals using the wedge brush, and now I've switched to a smaller one, and I'm using the very tip of the brush to create the spiky cone of the flower. And I started out with yellow, then I added a little bit of orange, and then a little bit of brown. This brush is so versatile, you can do so much with it. This is my new favorite brush. Now the tip of it is so fine that I can even create the stems of these flowers, and you'll see that in just a minute. So while you watch me continue painting this, I'll explain to you what happened. I was on my lunch break when I started filming the second part of this video, and I was so concerned with the time that I had left to do the video that I forgot to hit play. So once I was finished doing the second part, I went to turn off the recorder and realized I never turned it on. So I do apologize, but again, I'll explain to you what I did. So as I was doing this painting, I decided that I was not that crazy about it. But as always, you know, I don't ever give up on a painting. I always find a way to try and save it. So now I'm creating the leaves, and again, using the same brush. I use this brush for the entire painting, except for the background. So now I'm just darkening up the back petals a little bit. And now this is the part that I forgot to record. So here you see I've added a background, and I've also outlined all of my petals and leaves with a Micron pen. So using a Micron pen can really save a painting when you're not happy with it. You can simply outline it using my typical sketchy little lines, and then I had tape around the edge. I don't know if you saw that before, but I used a very watery mix of blue, and I just filled in the background, and it almost looks very soft like clouds. And I wasn't looking for perfection, so you can see that my lines don't go up to each petal, or rather the blue, or to each leaf. But I ended up really liking the way it turned out, and I think that this would make an excellent card. So when you're not happy with a painting, don't give up on it. I tell you this all the time. If you think it's bad already, it doesn't matter what you do. So take a chance, take a Micron pen to it, add a little background, and have some fun. I think I learn more by my mistakes than anything else, and sometimes I end up very happy with the results. So I hope that you found this encouraging. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Take a look in the description box for links to the products used, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.